American actress and cultural icon, Marilyn Monroe was one of the most recognizable faces in the world. Known for her beauty, charm, and vulnerability, she starred in classic films like Some Like It Hot and Gentlemen Prefer Blondes, captivating audiences everywhere. First Lady of the United States, Martha Washington was the wife of George Washington and the very first First Lady of the United States. She was known for her dignity, strength, and quiet leadership during the founding years of the nation. Native American diplomat and historical figure Pocahontas was the daughter of Powhatan, chief of a powerful Native American confederacy in what is now Virginia. She played a key role in early relations between her people and English settlers. American actress and singer Lillian Russell was one of the most celebrated performers of the Gilded Age. Known for her powerful voice, beauty, and charisma, she starred in operettas and vaudeville, captivating audiences across America. Poet and pioneer of African American literature, Phyllis Wheatley was the first African American woman to publish a book of poetry. Enslaved as a child and brought to Boston, she showed remarkable literary talent at a young age and was educated by her owners. American socialite and diplomat's wife Mary Endicott was a member of a prominent American family and served as the First Lady of the Philippines, while her husband, William Cameron Forbes, was Governor General under U.S. rule. First Lady of the United States Dolly Madison was the wife of President James Madison and one of the most beloved First Ladies in American history. She was known for her charm, social grace, and strong influence on early White House traditions. British actress and social icon. Lily Langtry was a celebrated beauty, actress, and one of the most talked-about women of late 19th century Britain. She broke social norms by becoming an actress, despite her aristocratic background. American sculptor and trailblazer. Edmonia Lewis was the first African American and Native American woman to gain international fame as a sculptor. Her neoclassical works often drew from themes of freedom, identity, and heritage. British actress, writer, and abolitionist Fanny Kebell was a renowned stage actress from a famous theatrical family in England. After marrying an American plantation owner, she moved to Georgia and witnessed the horrors of slavery firsthand. American-born British countess and philanthropist Grace Elvina Curzon was born in Alabama and later became Countess Curzon of Kedleston after marrying George Nathaniel Curzon, a prominent British statesman. She played a graceful public role during a period of British imperial transition. Native American author and activist Sarah Winnamaka was a Northern Paiute educator, interpreter, and advocate for Native American rights. Fluent in English and Spanish, she worked as a translator for the U.S. Army and later became a powerful public speaker. American stage actress and theater reformer Minnie Madden Fisk was a leading force in American theater at the turn of the 20th century. Renowned for her powerful performances, she helped introduce modern realism to the stage and championed the works of Henrik Ibsen. American model, actress, and social figure. Evelyn Nesbbit was a famous model and stage actress, often called one of the first American superstars. Her image graced countless magazines and advertisements, defining beauty standards of the early 1900s. American-born British politician and reformer Nancy Witcher Langhorn, later known as Lady Astor, was the first woman to take a seat in the British House of Commons. Born in Virginia, she married into British nobility and became a political pioneer in the UK. American-born British socialite and writer Jenny Jerome Churchill was a New York-born heiress who became one of the most influential women in British high society. She was the mother of Winston Churchill and played a key role in his early life and ambitions. French aristocrat and salon hostess Marie Jeanne de Kergorlay was a noblewoman born into one of France's oldest aristocratic families. Known for her intellect and grace, she was a close friend of Alexis de Tocqueville and participated in the vibrant intellectual life of her time. American photographer and pioneer Alice Austin was one of the first female photographers in the United States. She captured over 8,000 images throughout her life, documenting everyday life, street scenes, and women's experiences with striking honesty. American socialite and diplomat's wife. Emily Otis was the daughter of politician Harrison Gray Otis and became known for her elegance and intellect within elite Boston society. She married diplomat William S. Wetmore, and together they traveled extensively through Europe. First woman ever. Photographed Dorothy Draper was the sister of scientist and photography pioneer John William Draper. She became the subject of the first clear photographic portrait of a woman in history, taken around 1840 using the daguerreotype process. American socialite and fashion icon. Sally Ward was a celebrated Southern belle from Kentucky, known for her beauty, wit, and bold fashion choices. She captivated high society with her charisma and became one of the earliest American-style icons. If you enjoyed this video about beautiful and remarkable American women, don't forget to like and leave a comment. And be sure to subscribe so you won't miss our next stories. Thanks for watching. See you soon.